And good afternoon, everybody. My name is Sidratul Muntaha Adiba, but you can call me Adiba. I am a student of class 3. My school's name is Cantonment Public School and College, Lalmonihat. I am also a student of English Arena Lalmonihat. My English teacher's name is Muhammad Shafiqul Islam. I hope you are very happy and well. I am fine too. Now I'm telling you about the names of body parts. Let's enjoy the presentation. Hair, head, forehead, ear, nose, nostrils, eyebrows, eyelid, eyelash, eyeball, cheek, lip, upper lip, lower lip, teeth, upper teeth, lower teeth, tongue, chin, throat, shoulders, arm, elbow, wrist, palm, fingers. They are thumb finger, index finger, middle finger, ring finger, and little finger. Nail, belly, navel, back, backbone, thigh, knee, toes, feet, heel. That's all for today. Thank you very much.